Must watch this video Vechain holder because Vechain is completely fails down from last 24 hour, and also my friend in the current time last 1 hour chart is also been negative. So therefore Vechain holder, Vechain is completely lost now. The profit is completely gone and losting. What we do in this current time to we make a good profit, my friend, and we take a good profit. So let's see, I will tell you in this video, my friends, the prediction, the target, the everything, my friends, what's next, everything. So kindly you don't skip this video and make a good money, make a good profit. Let's see. Before I start the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all videos notification, because ABS Tech channel is guide you every time. You can see, my friends, the last 1 hour. First of all, I'm going to show you the latest update, and after that we predict this. You can see, my friends, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and the percentage is minus 3.4%. They fails down just in only in the last 1 hour. So just in only if they in the last 1 hour, my friends, they fails down like that. So it's mean, my friends, to upcoming time they also moving very badly, fails down, and there is no chance to they take a profit, especially from last in upcoming 24 hour. You can see, my friends, this time the price is 0.17 USD dollar. I hope they will hit, my friends, just in only at the end of this month to 0.2 USD dollar. This is very easy, my friends, to the Vechain hit 0.2 USD dollar. Well, let's see, my friends. I hope in upcoming times they're moving up. So remember this change account, you can see here this time they fails down. Let's see, my friends, the last 24 hours to what's going on in the last 24 hour chart. This will be very important, my friend. If you can see here this time the Vechain is completely fails down from last 24 hour chart. Minus 4.45% fails down. What a bad my friend. You can see here completely fails down, and after this you can see they again take a short jump, but this jump is cannot, my friends, make you a millionaire. They cannot give you a very good profit. It's need, my friends, to they will hit this point. So I hope, my friends, they do that. I hope in upcoming times Vechain is moving upward, and there is one big reason, especially if short time investor hold it, then exactly, my friends, the price, this is very big chances, my friends, to the Vechain is moving upward, and Vechain is exchange now. So kindly hold it this time. I hope, my friends, the Vechain is go in the moon, and I hope they give you very good profit. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time.